Today's short movement break or exercise snack is focused on the lower extremities, the legs and the hips. So we're going to add some movement, do some body weight strength moves. Let's just start here. We're standing nice and tall. We're thinking about pulling the belly in slightly to engage the core. And then step one foot out to the side and tap the other foot in and then go the other side. So we're just doing a step touch, side to side. So we can just kind of warm our bodies up here. We can have a little bend in the elbows, and then you can just swing your arms back and forth and maybe pick up your pace a little bit. So if we've had a period of prolonged sitting, we can add these movement breaks into the day, which is great for our overall health. And we'll just start with some gentle moves here. These movement breaks could also be an add-on. For example, you've gone for a walk, you come home, you just want to add on a bit more exercise, and you can do 5 or 10 minutes of these videos. Let's keep doing our step touch or the move side to side, and we'll just roll the shoulders up, back, and down, and do that 2 more times. Nice work. All right, our focus is on legs and hips. So we're just going to have our hands on our hips. We're going to be alternating between a squat and then a knee lift. So let's review squat. It's hips back, initiate at the hips. Hips move back as if you're about to sit down. Our knees are just tracking over top of ankles, and then we come up tall. So just like you're about to sit down and stand up. So here we go, squat, and stand up and lift one knee, and squat and other knee. So we're alternating between squat and knee lift. We're alternating between the sides for our knee lifts. You got it. Let's keep going here. Working against gravity, body weight. Squats are a very functional exercise. Every time we sit down and stand up, we're doing a squat. We want to keep those muscles strong. We'll keep going. You decide how far you're going down and how high you're lifting your knee. So always modifying, making the workout work for you. We'll do 4 more of the squats. 3, 2, 1. Finish with one high knee. Nice work. And you can just shake things out. Feet are going to be wide. Again, hands on hips. You can always clasp your hands in front as well. We're going to go into hamstring curls. So we're bending knee, bringing a foot behind, and we're going to do doubles on each side. So we lift the foot behind, foot comes down, same side, and then over to the other side. So it's 2, 1, 2, 1, and then keep that going. 2 on each side. You got it. Upper body upright. Coming back to thinking about pulling the belly button in slightly, core engaged. Let's keep this going. We've got 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. We're going to be repeating for this next exercise, repeating with right foot stepping out and stepping in. We can have a little bit of a bend in our elbows and add pumping arms, or again, you can have hands on your hips. So let's come into a little bit of athletic stance. So slight bend in the hips back, slight bend into the knees, and then right foot is just going to step out, step in, out, in, out, in. Again, you decide on your pace, and then we can just add some pumping arms. So supporting leg, left leg is doing a lot of work here. strong legs. And we'll keep this going. Modification, you could always have one hand on a wall or a support. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and just shake things out in between sides. And then we're going to come to the left leg. So coming back to that athletic stance, we've got that little bend at our elbows if you're pumping arms. And here we go, step out to the side and in, and tap and in, tap and in. And keep that going. Again, we've got lots of work going on the supporting leg. Keep it going. Awesome work. Glad you're here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up tall. And let's just come to an easy march. We're going to bring our heart rate and breathing rate just down a little bit. Again, we can roll the shoulders up, back, and down. Always good reminders to keep the shoulders back and down. We'll do a couple of lower body stretches to round up this little movement break. So let's bring one heel forward. We'll just walk around for another moment here, back and forth. All right, and then pause, bring one heel forward, toes are lifted, hands on hips, bring your hips back. We're having a stretch to the back of the leg, hamstring muscles, our calf muscles. Again, you can have a hand on a wall, just slowing the breath down. And we'll change sides. We're keeping the eyes forward. And then come up tall. Take one foot and bring your toes back behind you. And then upper body nice and upright, just opening the front of the hip. Change sides. Nice work. Let's finish with one big breath together. Thanks so much for joining me for this quick movement break, taking care of our health together. Inhale, arms to the ceiling. Exhale, arms down. Have a wonderful rest of your day. See you next time.